Hi there, and welcome back to another installment of 5th grade math. I'm Mr. Manella, and joining me again today is my assistant, Stu. How you doing today, Stu?
Hello!
So you're feeling yourself. I love the enthusiasm. Today we're going to review some concepts about values of digits, okay? We're going to be talking about how to determine the value of a digit in standard form. But before we begin, we need to review some key words. Are you ready?
Lay it on me.
Okay. The first word is value. Value means how much something is worth. What's the value of a quarter?
25 cents.
That's right. Well done. Here you go. You get a quarter, a real quarter.
Put it here.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. You all right?
That was real money.
Yeah, I know. That's why I didn't want you to put it in your mouth.
I get that now. What am I supposed to do with a quarter?
You could travel back to the 90s and make a phone call from a payphone.
Very funny. I want Benjamins, Mr. Manella. I have expensive taste.
No, you don't. All you eat is Takis.
And think of how many Takis I could buy with a Benjamin.
Uh-huh. Can we move on now?
If you feel we must. Can I still have that quarter?
It's over there. You're going to have to get it later.
Okay.
Because I'm not touching that thing after where it's been. It's probably covered in Taki juice. And boogers.
Maybe.
Yeah. You know what? We can stop talking about this now. The next word is digit. A digit is a single number, like 7. It can stand on its own or be combined with other digits to form a multi-digit number, like 745. We talked about digits in the last lesson. Do you remember?
Yes, there are 10 digits.
Excellent. We're going to make a math master out of you yet.
Is that like a karate master? Do I get a black belt?
We can discuss wardrobe options later, okay? The third word is actually 2 words. It's standard form. Standard form just means writing numbers the normal way, using digits, like a regular 7 or, in this case, 745. See it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's standard form. If we were to write numbers out using letters and spell them, that would be called word form, like this, 7 or 745. But don't worry, we're not focusing on that today.
Okay.
I know writing is hard for you because your arm strength and dexterity are, shall we say...
a little noodly.
Yeah, again, like we said before, you need to hit the gym, okay? I've got some weights you can borrow since the gyms aren't all open, but, you can...
Thanks.
Yeah, we're going to beef you up, man. You're going to be in the Mr. Muppet Universe contest in no time, okay? So anyway, back to 745. That has how many digits?
3.
3. It's in standard form. It's got 3 digits, and each of those digits has its own value. How do we determine which means figure out that value?
What?
Let's watch the video. What is the value of the underlying digit? The underlying digit is a 7, but is that the value? No, I don't think so. What place is the 7 in? The 5 is in the ones place, and the 4 is in the tens place. So that means the 7 is in the hundreds place. So what does that tell us? It tells us there are 7 hundreds in our number. So how much is that? If you're sitting there thinking this is a trick, I promise it isn't. How much is 7 hundreds? 7 times 100 is?
700?
Yes! Let's keep going. What's the value of the underlying digit now? Now we're looking at the 4. We already know that it is in the tens place. So what does that make it worth? How much is 4 times 10?
Easy peasy. 40.
Right you are. And what about the 5? If we underline that, what's the value? When a digit is in the ones place, like 5, you don't have to do anything else. It's worth 5 once, which just means 5 times 1, which we all know is 5.
Can confirm I did in fact know that.
One more quick trick before we go. If a number is really big and you're not sure what the underlying place is, you can still get the value of the underlying digit very easily. Check this out. You ready? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah!
Louder!
Yeah!
Alright, let's do it.
Did you see my nose?
It defies physics in ways that few substances known to man can do.
I'm like defying gravity.
It's I'm surprised scientists haven't captured you and taken you to a lab yet. It's probably because they don't know you exist. And in New Mexico, that's really risky because like Area 51 and Roswell are nearby. So, like, your secret's safe with me. But if you don't start putting those tissues in the trash, like we talked about, I might be making an anonymous phone call.
You got it.
All right, I'm glad we've arrived at this détente, if you will. Let's watch a video. What is the value of the underlying digit in this number? That number in word form is 8,734,678. That's a mouthful. So here's what you do. First, you take any numbers that are in front of the underlying digit and you punt them out the window. Bye! Okay, so now we have 34,678. Next, take every number behind the underlying number, cast a vanishing spell, and turn them into zeros. Evanesco! That looks better. Okay, so now what? Now you're done! That's the value of the 3. It's in the 10,000s place, and 3 times 10,000 is 30,000.
That's it?
That's it! Okay, so to recap, standard form is just the normal way we write a number, with digits like this. Got it?
Yeah. Standard form. Regular old number.
I mean, standard is just another word for regular or normal, so that makes sense. Regular form, normal form, standard form. And to get the value of a digit, you just take that digit and multiply it by whatever place in the number it is in. 4 in the tens place?
4 times 10 is 40. That
Boom.
value is 40.
Boom. Nailed it. And if you're not sure what place a digit is in, if it's underlined, use our punting and vanishing method. Now you're ready to get the value of any underlined digit.
So ready.
Yeah.
Super ready.
High five.
Okay, I got this.
Boom. Once again, that will have to do. Something for us to work on before you see us next time.
Yeah.
That concludes our video lesson.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.